Hey guys, and this is I here, and today we're going to show you how to use side by side apps side by side right here with Windows 10 or Windows 8, whatever you Windows have. It has these side by side apps, right? Side by apps. So I'm going to show you how to use side by side apps. So let's just set it. So first, open a application like Safari or whatever, and just move your mouse to there, or move your mouse here or here until your mouse sees a little arrow thing. Just arrow like right there, right here, right there, and just click on it and drag it, and it'll be don't worry, it'll be small. Put in the middle right here, put in the middle. Okay, so and then open another application like App Store. Okay, it's already another one. So and drag this here. Okay, and then oh my, that's so old. And there you go. So can click on it, and it's so easy to use side by side. So it's pretty easy, right? Right? Okay. Oh well, but yeah. So thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and ring the bell to see all notifications. So, okay, let's quit this. So, bye.